Hello everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A31. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray, then followed by the battery cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cut pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. Take out the back cover and undo 15 screws on the rear cover frame. Using a plastic cut pry tool creates an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on edges to separate the plastic clips. Take out the frame and disconnect the battery connector and both ends on the main flex cable, which connects the LCD as well. To take out the battery, apply little heat on the battery and creates an opening using a plastic cut pry tool. Insert it, and once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Replace the new battery and connect the battery and both ends on the main flex cable connector. Restore the rear cover frame and insert all 16 screws back. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.